Why did you go above my head?
I needed Commander Riggs' Watt file. I didn't want to waste your time.
Well, did you get it?
Not yet.
You know, next time if you want something from the Secret Service, ask me. I am the agent on this case.
Who gave you the authorization to give me this file?
You know damn well you're the one that called him.
You couldn't have given me this without his authorization.
Your point being?
Is that a no?
Let me ask you, how would you feel if I went to your boss for an autopsy report?
Amused. He'd have told you to ask me.
Oh, so you wouldn't need his permission?
Only to go to the bathroom.
I am not laughing here.
I thought it was kind of funny.
Let me ask you, would you have gone over the heads of any of the other agents?
When it comes to cutting red tape, I'm an equal opportunity offender.
I have my doubts. So know this. I earned my jockstrap a long time ago, Gibbs. You don't want to get into a pissing contest with me.